In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory in QuickBooks Online. If you've discovered your on-hand count doesn't match a physical count, or you're correcting a receiving or shrinkage error, this quick process will help you update the quantity in your books so your reports stay accurate. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with a role that can edit products and inventory and have your most up-to-date counts handy. Small changes can affect your inventory valuation and cost of goods sold as of the adjustment date, so accuracy matters. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and going to the left-hand menu. Choose Sales, then select Products and Services. This is the catalog of everything you sell, whether it's an inventory item, non-inventory item, or service. We'll be adjusting an inventory item here. If you don't see the menu, expand it, and if you manage a large list, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the exact item you need. Once you've located the item, look over to the Action column and click Edit. This opens the product's detailed setup page. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct item, especially if you use similar names or variants like sizes or colors. Adjusting the wrong item can throw off counts and margins. In the product details, find the Inventory Info section. Here, click Quantity or Adjust. This brings up the adjustment fields where QuickBooks will track the change for you. Depending on your setup, you may also see fields for the date of the adjustment and, if you use locations, the specific site. Choose the date that reflects when the change should take effect so your reports line up with your physical count. Now enter your numbers. If you know the final quantity that should be on hand, type that in the new QTY column. QuickBooks will calculate the change automatically. If you prefer to enter just the difference, say you're short by 2 units, use the Change in Quantity field instead. Include a brief reason in any memo or notes area if one is available, such as cycle count or damaged. Clear notes help future you, your team, and your accountant understand why the adjustment was made. When you're satisfied, select Save and Close. QuickBooks applies the adjustment to the item and updates its on-hand quantity. That's it. With these steps, you'll keep your inventory counts aligned with reality and your financials accurate, making the rest of your accounting smoother and your decisions better informed.